Hey guys, Morten Ostad here. Welcome to another video from me. I just thought I would quickly open up the George Harrison record that I bought a few weeks ago together with you guys. It's been in my to-do list. I got this, like I said, I think it was 3 or 4 weeks ago. It was completely unplanned. I was buying the new Manic Street Preachers when I saw this in a box near the till, 40% off, and they already had, knocked down prices in other ways in the store. So I got a really good deal on this. This is George Harrison, Living in the Material World, 50th Anniversary 2 LP edition, new mix by Paul Hicks. So this is sort of a in-between set that I haven't really seen a lot of videos or mention about. Of course, this is not the super deluxe edition with all the CDs and vinyl and books and everything. Sorry. But it's also not the, let's call it reissued regular 50th anniversary LP. This is a bit more. So let's have a look at it. I think I will keep the shrink wrap on as I don't think I have any covers that'll fit this rather thick record. Here's the track listing. So the 50th anniversary original album is side 1 and 2, and then LP2 is album extras. They are acoustic versions, different takes, alternative versions, and so on. So on and off, I would probably say that this has always been my favorite of George albums. Not least because I really do like the artwork a lot. I think it's very stylish. So what do we have in here? So the album. So a spur of the moment purchase and a spur of the moment showing you guys. I am sort of getting ready to do some packing. I have to go away tomorrow down to Denmark for lots of various reasons. A really nice poster, I must say. And I suppose this would be what they would have in record shops back in the day. Back in the day being 1973. Because this whole set came out a year too late, but it's still referred to as 50th anniversary. So on the extra discs, you have this Apple logo. And we have inner sleeves with like a really cool dinner at his residence. And that's all she wrote. That was a quick look at the 50th anniversary, sort of middle of the road, middle child deluxe edition. which, considering the price, I was very pleased to get. and I'm very happy to show you guys. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. Have you gotten this version or any of the other versions? Please leave a comment. Please click like, that helps my channel, and if you want to subscribe, that makes me happy. Hope to see you soon in another video. Bye bye.